Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will going to focus on the Python. So we are starting our new series on Python. So if you are new to my channel, we request you to please subscribe my channel and hit a like button if you like the video and share this video to the maximum people who want to learn Python. So before wasting a time, let's start with the Python. So first we will see what is Python. The Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Gyro van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting. Okay, now we'll move on to the next. What can we do in Python? The Python can be used on a server to create a web application. Python can be used alongside the software to create a workflow. Python can connect to database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle the big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. Why Python? Python works on a different platform, that is Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. Python has a syntax that allows a developer to write a program with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning the code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that the prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. So good to know. The most recent major version of the Python is Python 3, which we shall be using in this tutorial. However, the Python 2, although it's not being updated with anything other than security update, it's still quite popular. In this tutorial, the Python will be written in the Jupyter Notebook. It is possible to write a Python in integrated development environment such as Chauny, PyCharm, NetBeans, or Eclipse, which are particularly useful when managing the large collection of Python files. Hope you understand this, and we will see few of the examples. So I'll take a very simple example, print hello world. Okay, so this is the syntax of that, the print hello world, because since this is the text, we have to write this in quotation. Okay, and we'll use a bracket. If we execute this one, we can see the hello world. Okay, in order to execute that, we can just click a run button over here and this will give you the output. So this is a very easy Jupyter Notebook to write this. Now we'll see the second example that we have. So if the 5 is greater than 2, then print a 5 is greater than 2. So if I execute this one, I need to click on run button. So I got this output, right? So here what we wanted to explain is a space, right? The space is at the beginning of the code line, right? So here, right? So where in the other programming languages, the spaces in the code is for the readability only, the spaces in Python is very important, right? So if you skip the spaces, it will give you an error. The Python is use the spaces to indicate the block of code, right? So we'll see the next example wherein we are not giving any space, right? So here we are not giving any space. So if we execute this step, what we will get is we will get an error over here. The expected intended block after if the statement on the line 1, right? So if you give in the next example, we have given a space over here, and here we have given a space over here, and that's why we are getting out. Okay, so the number of spaces is up to us, right, on the programmer, but the most common use is like a 4. We can give a 4 spaces, and we can start with the 1 spaces also, but it has to at least a 1 space we have to give in Python language. Okay, so this is the small tutorial on the introduction of a Python. I hope you get some glimpse of Python. In the upcoming videos, we will going to write a complex syntax and we will explain you in a better way so that you can easily understand that. So we'd request you to please stay tuned to this channel. You will surely get a lot of videos on Python, and you don't have to look other videos if you are tuned to my videos, because I'm going to explain the complex logic in a very simple way. So that's all for this video. I hope you understand this topic. Have a nice day.